What's going on, guys? Boy Trey Young Weather here, back with another video, man. So I'm in the SS right now. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what the vibes is. And I'm actually headed to this one place where we'll be having a photo shoot with the SS. I think I'm going to get some rolling shots and some regular photos as well, man. So if y'all new to the channel, man, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Deuces.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. So tell everybody what your name is.
My name is Kevin Flores. My page.
Back up right here. There's a noise.
My name is Kevin Flores. My page is __ Flores Photography, and basically do photography for like cars, portraits, anything really. So we're here today. We're gonna shoot some rollers for him. And yeah.
Oh yeah, want me to see my cash app or something?
I have Venmo, Zelle. You have cash. I don't use.
Alright, that's cool. So yo, you go ahead and pay you now or after?
You can pay me now. That's cool.
Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and stop by that corner store right there, take the money out, and then go and get some shots.
Okay, we'll get some shots in this tree right here.
Oh, in here?
Yeah, this tree right here.
Okay.
We can do it.
Alright, cool.
Alright, man.
Meet me at that, yeah. Oh yeah, guys, so we'll go ahead, pay him, and we get on with the shots. Alright guys, so we are actually about to do the rollers right now. That's him following me. I mean, that's me following him, my bad. And yeah. So there y'all go. He's gonna direct me and whatnot. Get some rolling shots. So shooting right there. Oh yeah, this is my bad. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it, man. So let me go ahead and show y'all what these pictures look like right about now. Man, them pictures came out dope as fuck, bruh. I'ma make sure I drop his link, his IG below, so y'all could DM him on making some shoots and stuff. He definitely does good work, man. I suggest y'all go to him if y'all in the Houston area, man. So this is pretty much the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This your boy Trey Young Wavy, and I'm out. Deuces. Oh yeah, I had to get y'all that.